exposing the secrets in sustainable gardening. Did you know you could transform your space into a green sanctuary with just a few simple steps? Welcome to a world where your green thumb leads to greener futures. At the Affordable Organic Store, we're not just selling products, we're cultivating dreams and nurturing nature. Dive into our diverse range of vibrant organic seeds, from sun-kissed tomatoes to fragrant herbs, all ready to bring life to your garden and kitchen. But it's not just seeds. We equip you with everything, from beginner kits and resilient tools to decorative pots and rich soil mixes. Thinking of composting? Check out our easy-to-use compost bins and water-saving rain barrels, making sustainability a breeze. And there's more. Join our community for free workshops, fun contests, and live sessions that make gardening a shared joy. Plus, with free delivery on orders above Rs 150, it's never been easier to start. Visit the Affordable Organic Store online and let your gardening journey bloom into a rewarding, eco-friendly adventure. Ready to grow with us?